Roller shades block light effectively, and certain ones do a fantastic job of keeping prying eyes out. This buyer's guide will help you determine which roller shades best ensure your privacy. So, let's begin. Number 1, most popular. Radiance Cord-Free. Looking to maintain privacy with a shade that uses environmentally friendly materials? Consider this option from Radiance. Made of bamboo, the Radiance shade is eco-friendly, and being cordless, it is safer than most for children and pets. Roll up the shade by hand to any length and secure it with included fasteners to keep it in place. This shade lets in more light than others, but it's suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, so you can add shade or a privacy screen to a patio. It is easy to install using an inside or an outside mount. Number 2. CHICOLOGY Roller Window Shades. If privacy is what you want, privacy is what you'll get with this CHICOLOGY roller shade that can be mounted inside or outside a window casing. This cordless shade promotes the safety of children and pets, while its polyester fabric makes an excellent choice for those concerned about dust allergies. Importantly, this shade is easy to clean with either a slightly damp towel or the upholstery attachment of a vacuum. Number 3. SUAKY Blackout Cordless Window Roller. For those who want a high level of privacy, this roller shade by SUAKY provides plenty, plus, it looks good and offers several great features. For one, the eco-friendly fabric and multiple layers in this shade block out 100% of light and offer a high level of privacy. For another, the SUAKY shade is easy to install, as it can be mounted either inside or outside a window casing. Also, being cordless, this shade is a good choice for homes with pets and children. Number 4. Yoolax Motorized Smart Blind. Those who love new home technology may want to add a smart shade like this one from Yoolax. Made of PVC, vinyl, and fabric, this roller shade is excellent for the office, the bathroom, or the kitchen, as it works to block out both sunlight and sound. It also provides some insulation. The shade operates using a motor that can run for 3 to 6 months after an initial charge of 6 hours. The motor can be somewhat noisy when in use, but there's a lot to be said for being able to open and close this smart shade effortlessly via Alexa or Google Home. Note that the Yoolax shade also comes with a convenient remote control. Number 5. LUCKUP 100% Blackout Waterproof Fabric. This chic polyester shade from LUCKUP provides privacy and blocks 100% of UV rays. It can also help keep a room comfortable thanks to its thermal insulation coating. As a bonus, the shade is windproof as well as waterproof. Though it has a chain pulley, LUCKUP's design is still child and pet friendly. If a child or pet gets tangled in the chain disconnects to prevent injury. The many features of the LUCKUP shade may reduce its durability and require special care, but even so, the LUCKUP installs easily and can serve a range of purposes in a range of room types.
Thanks for watching the video.